What type of luggage should I use? This is a question we hear often. Whether you're commuting, taking day trips, or planning your first motorcycle adventure, choosing the right luggage can make riding easier, safer, and more enjoyable. In the next few minutes, I'll give you a quick overview of the main types of soft motorcycle luggage, their pros and cons, and help you choose the best option for your riding style. Many new riders start by carrying everything in a regular backpack. While this may work for short rides, it can become uncomfortable, especially on longer trips. It can also affect your balance and cause fatigue because the weight is directly connected to your body. Using purpose-built motorcycle luggage moves the weight from your body to the bike, making rides more comfortable and giving you much more storage space. There are three key types of soft motorcycle luggage: saddlebags, tailbags, and tank bags. Each of these are designed to be used at key mounting points that are the best position for luggage weight. Saddlebags are mounted on either side of the pillion seat. These are great options for heavier luggage as they keep the weight lower on the bike and add serious luggage capacity. The trade-off is that they sit wider on the bike and you need to be aware of saddlebags when riding with them. Also, if you're using a rack-based system, you will need to have suitable metal parts that support the saddlebags to keep them away from the rear tire. Tailbags are designed to be mounted on the pillion seat. They offer convenient storage without requiring racks or hard mounts and are often the simplest first luggage purchase. Your luggage weight sits a little bit higher on the bike as compared to saddlebags, but still in a good position to complement the suspension and bike setup. Tank bags sit on the top of the fuel tank and are perfect for items you need quick access to, like a phone, wallet, sunglasses, or snacks. They also help move some of the luggage weight to the front of the motorcycle. While large tank bags are popular with commuters and relaxed travelers, smaller tank bags are better for more active riding. Primary luggage aside, modular expanders and bike-specific luggage allow for incremental additions. A handlebar bag can be just as useful on an everyday commute as when touring. Options like the Pod 12 are great additions to primary luggage and can also be used on their own. On a bike like the Himalayan 450, the trail packs can even be an alternative to a tank bag. However, our suggestion would be to first identify the right primary luggage setup for your use case and make other selections incrementally after you have dialed in your base setup. Choosing the right type of luggage is not about what works for someone else, but rather what meets your specific requirement. Think about what bike you ride, what type of riding you do, and what you carry, and look for the simplest solution that meets those needs. For example, if you're only beginning to dabble with touring, you might want luggage that is just as useful on an everyday commute as it would be for a weekend getaway. A larger tank bag or a combination of a tank bag and a more compact tail bag could be a great match. If you're planning your first big trip, chances are you will be traveling quite heavy. In such cases, a good pair of saddlebags with the right saddlebag racks or saddle stays should be the foundation from which your luggage setup is built. The same applies if you ride with a pillion. With the seat being occupied, saddlebags are the best way to go for your primary luggage. If you're looking for the simplest and most universal luggage setup, it's hard to beat a good tail bag and a strap-based tank bag. Whatever you do, buy luggage for how you ride now, not for a dream trip you might take once a year. The best motorcycle luggage is the luggage you'll actually use. And as a rule of thumb, it's usually better to start small and add more storage later if you need it. If you found this guide helpful, please share it with a friend. If you need help choosing luggage, you can also explore some of the dedicated gear guides linked in the description. Thanks for watching.